Alright, so let me show you now how to install your custom indicators and templates. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the London Open Range breakout setup indicators and templates, and they're very simple. So you'll receive those in your email. So what you want to do is save it. If you save it to desktop, that's what I've done. So they're in my desktop, and now I'm going to insert them here. So all I do is on my Tipmill account, simply go to File, Open Data Folder. Now I've got more than one screen, so it's opening my other screen. I'm just going to move it back across. So now I'm going to first of all double click on templates to open it, and then I'm going to take my template that I've downloaded to my desktop and I'm going to drag it and move it into here. Now I've already got it in here, so it's asking me, do I want to replace it in this destination? I'm just going to replace the file in the destination folder. And then what I'll do is I'll come here and I'll go back, and this time I'll double click MQL4 and then indicators, and this is where my indicators go. Now I go back to my desktop, get my indicator, and I drag it into this folder here, and I again just drop it. Again, I do have this indicator ready, so I'm going to replace the file in this destination folder. And now I simply close this, and then I have to close my MT4 and then restart my MT4. And once I've restarted my MT4, now you'll be able to see how when I right click on any specific chart, if I right click and I go to template, that template is called London Breakout PA. I click it, select it, and there it is all set up. Simple as that. You do the same thing with all the other indicators as well. Insert in the correct folder, close your MT4, restart it, and then it indicates. Then you'll be able to use the templates. Remember to like and subscribe so you can get more videos when they come out.